Welcome to an exhilarating exploration of the 3GPP Release 18 Non-Terrestrial Network standards, shaping the future of global connectivity. Discover how these groundbreaking advancements in NTN will revolutionize satellite, high-altitude platform, and drone communications. Stay tuned as we unveil their importance in transforming our global communication landscape. In this segment, we explore the transformative features of Release 18 that are set to revolutionize non-terrestrial network communications. Ultra-reliable low-latency communication, or URLLC, ensures unparalleled reliability and responsiveness, crucial for mission-critical applications. Next, Massive Machine-Type Communication, or MMTC, offers scalable connectivity for a multitude of IoT devices, driving efficiency in expansive networks. Dynamic network slicing introduces a game-changing capability, allowing tailored configurations that optimize bandwidth and latency for diverse applications, enhancing performance on both satellite and high-altitude platforms. Lastly, advanced spectrum sharing maximizes the efficient use of spectral resources, facilitating seamless integration across various NTN environments. You'll see how these advancements enable transformative solutions for real-world challenges, propelling us into the future of global connectivity. Release 18 is a game-changer, prioritizing ultra-reliable, low-latency communication. Imagine autonomous vehicles responding instantly to real-time traffic data or remote surgeries performed with precision from thousands of miles away. These standards ensure critical applications maintain unparalleled reliability and responsiveness. Additionally, efficient resource management revolutionizes IoT networks, optimizing bandwidth and latency for specialized tasks. Spectrum harmonization achieves global interoperability, making these advancements universally applicable. Release 18 addresses the most pressing challenges in NTN communications, pushing the limits of what's possible in our connected world. In the realm of NTN communications, challenges are ever present. Release 18 introduces dynamic network slicing tailored to optimize bandwidth and latency for specific applications, effectively addressing these hurdles. By strategically configuring network resources, we ensure seamless performance across diverse environments. Watch as these improvements revolutionize our connectivity landscape, transforming theory into practice. Join us as we delve deeper into the technical intricacies and transformative potential of 3GPP Release 18 NTN standards, revolutionizing how we connect and communicate in the digital age. Stay tuned for more insights and subscribe for the latest in telecommunications innovation.